If you're tired of dealing with a messy truck bed or struggling to keep your gear secure during your adventures, it might be time to consider getting a truck bed tonneau cover. Today's covers aren't just about protection, they're designed to offer convenience, style, and peace of mind wherever your truck takes you. But with so many truck bed covers in the market, it can be hard to choose the right one. That's why, in this video, I'll be going over the top 6 best truck bed covers. Whether you're looking for a hard folding cover, a soft roll-up cover, the most lightweight, or a budget-friendly one, I'll have something for everyone. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Please note that the products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned so you don't miss anything. Number 6 is the TruXedo TruXport truck bed cover. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list. You can roll up to your buddy's house, and instead of dealing with a messy truck bed, you've got this sleek cover keeping everything neat and secure. This truck bed cover isn't just about looks, though it definitely scores big there. It's all about practicality. You just roll it up when you need to haul something big, and roll it back down to protect your gear from the elements and prying eyes. Installation is a breeze. You don't need to be a mechanical wizard to get this bad boy on your truck. It clamps on easily, with no drilling required, and once it's on, you'll love how it fits snugly and stays put, even at highway speeds. This cover is built to last with durable, weather-resistant materials. Whether it's rain, several inches of snow, or sunshine, your stuff stays dry and protected. Plus, it adds a sleek, aerodynamic look to your F-150 that's sure to turn heads. And if you don't have a Ford, don't worry, because there's various options for other trucks. Overall, the TruXedo TruXport truck bed cover is a fantastic choice for truck owners looking for an affordable and practical solution to keep their cargo secure and protected. Its sleek design, easy installation, and reliable performance make it a great addition to any truck, combining convenience and style in one neat package. Plus, the roll-up feature provides quick access to your truck bed whenever you need it. In short, it's a solid investment for anyone wanting to enhance their truck's functionality without breaking the bank. Number 5 is the BAKFlip MX4 truck bed cover. This is the best hard-folding cover on our list. If you're often out on an adventure and your truck bed is packed with all your gear, instead of worrying about it getting soaked or stolen, now you've got the BAKFlip MX4 covering it all. This isn't just any cover, it's tough as nails with its hard folding design. You can bet it's going to protect your stuff from the elements and any nosy folks. Installation? Super simple. You don't need to be a pro to get this on your truck. It's designed for a perfect fit with no drilling required. Once it's on, you can fold it up in a snap when you need full bed access, or lock it down to keep everything secure. Plus, it's built to last, with aircraft-grade aluminum panels that can handle anything Mother Nature throws at it. Rain, snow, or blazing sun. No worries, your gear stays safe. Plus, it'll add a sleek, rugged look to your truck that's sure to impress. However, there are some potential drawbacks to consider. First, when the cover is folded up, it can block some of the rear view and access to the bed near the cab. This might be a minor inconvenience if you frequently need full bed access. Plus, while the cover itself is secure, it relies on the tailgate being locked for full security. If your tailgate doesn't lock, the cover's security can be compromised. But overall, the BAKFlip MX4 truck bed cover is a premium choice for truck owners who want top-tier protection and style. This cover stands out with its durable, weather-resistant construction, sleek design, and easy-to-use folding mechanism. It provides excellent security for your cargo, enhances your truck's appearance, and offers the convenience of quick access to your truck bed. If you're looking for a reliable, high-quality tonneau cover, the BAKFlip MX4 is a fantastic investment that delivers on performance and aesthetics. Number 4 is the Lund Genesis Elite truck bed cover. This is the best soft roll-up cover on our list. Cruise down the highway with this sleek cover on your truck. You just roll it up when you need to load or unload and roll it back down to keep everything secure. Worried about installation? Don't be. This cover is a breeze to install. No drilling or special tools are needed. Just clamp it on, and you're good to go. It fits perfectly so it won't flap around or come loose when you're driving. Plus, it's made with top quality materials, so it's tough enough to handle any weather. Whether it's pouring rain, heavy snow, or blazing sun, this cover keeps your gear dry and protected. Also, it adds a smooth, aerodynamic look to your truck, which can even help with fuel efficiency. Overall, the Lund Genesis Elite Truck Bed Cover remains a popular choice for those looking for a blend of affordability, ease of use, and moderate protection for their cargo. And if you want to know the latest prices for the truck bed covers discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Number 3 is the RetraxPRO XR Truck Bed Cover. This is the best retractable cover on our list, and it's made from heavy-duty aluminum so it can handle anything you throw at it. Whether you're hauling gear for work or packing up for a weekend adventure, this cover's got your back. The coolest feature is it's retractable. You can slide it open or closed with ease thanks to its ball-bearing rollers. No more fighting with snaps or Velcro. Need full bed access? No problem. Just slide it all the way back. Want to keep your gear safe? Slide it shut and lock it up. And let's talk about durability. This cover is built to withstand the harshest weather. Rain, snow, or sun, your cargo stays protected and dry. Plus, it looks seriously sleek, giving your truck a sharp, modern look. And here's a bonus. The XR series is designed to work with most T-slot rack accessories, so you can customize your truck bed setup even more. However, the installation is generally manageable for DIY enthusiasts. Retractable covers can be more complex to install compared to folding or roll-up covers. Ensuring proper alignment and functionality may require careful attention to detail during installation. The retractable mechanism may require occasional lubrication and maintenance to ensure smooth operation over time. Despite these considerations, the RetraxPRO XR is favored for its sleek design, ease of use, and secure storage capabilities, making it a popular choice. Number 2 is the Extang Solid Fold 2.0 Truck Bed Cover. This is the most lightweight cover on our list for you, loading up your truck for a big job or a weekend getaway. And instead of leaving your gear exposed, you've got this solid, tough cover, keeping everything safe and secure. The Solid Fold 2.0 isn't just any cover. It's a hard folding cover made from ultra-durable materials that can handle whatever you throw at it. Installation? Piece of cake. You don't need any special tools or a degree in engineering to get it set up. It clamps on easily and you're ready to roll. Plus, it fits like a glove, so you don't have to worry about it flapping around or coming loose on the road. This cover is built to last with dent-resistant panels and a scratch-proof finish. Your cargo stays protected and dry in any weather. And when you need full access to your truck bed, just fold it up. It's that simple. However, keep in mind that it doesn't fit with factory-side storage boxes, so make sure your truck bed is clear. Plus, it can be heavier compared to soft covers, which might make installation and removal more challenging, particularly for one person. Also, when folded up, the cover occupies space in the bed, reducing usable cargo space compared to roll-up covers that store compactly at the front or rear of the bed. Despite these potential drawbacks, the Solid Fold 2.0 is highly regarded for its sturdy construction, weather resistance, and ability to provide secure storage for cargo. Number 1 is the UnderCover Ultra Flex Truck Bed Cover. This is the best tri-fold cover on our list for you. Roll up to the job site or head out on a weekend adventure with this sleek cover on your truck. The Ultra Flex isn't just about looking cool, though it definitely does. It's all about protecting your gear and making your life easier. This hard folding cover is tough and durable, made from high-quality materials that can handle whatever you throw at it. Installation? No sweat. You don't need to be a technical man to get it set up. It clamps on easily without any drilling. Once it's on, you'll love how it fits perfectly, giving your truck bed a clean, streamlined look. One of the best things about the UltraFlex is how easy it is to use. Need full bed access? Just fold it up. Want to keep your stuff secure? Fold it down and lock it. Plus, it's designed to work perfectly with your multi-pro or flex tailgate, so you won't lose any functionality. This cover is built to last, with a matte black finish that's not only stylish, but also resistant to scratches and UV damage. Rain, snow, or sun, your cargo stays protected. Overall, the UnderCover Ultra Flex is appreciated for its solid construction, sleek appearance, and ability to enhance security. It remains a popular choice among truck owners looking for a durable and stylish tonneau cover solution. And there you have it. We hope this selection simplifies your decision-making process and makes your quest for the perfect truck bed cover much easier. And if you guys found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. And be sure to check out the description for the links to find the latest pricing on all the products mentioned. Until next time,